we can't wait for the next year. Honestly, it's a really exciting time for us here at XTB. It's a really important milestone for us in the UK. I mean, ISAs are one of the most popular investment products out there because of the tax advantages. There's over 4 million ISA accounts in the UK, and around £700 billion worth of assets under management with ISAs. So that's a massive part of the investment landscape that we're now a part of. So having ISAs is an absolute game changer for us in the UK. So flexible stocks and shares is very important because what it means is that you can replace what you withdraw out of your ISA account and still take full advantage of the 20,000 allowance per tax year. So it's actually really important to give you that sort of flexibility. And obviously with us, we want to make your money work. That's a very big part of our brand proposition, and having a flexible stocks and shares ISA account definitely goes as part of that. Yeah, we can't wait for the next year. Honestly, it's a really exciting time for us here at XTB. We strongly think that our product offering is one of the most competitive in the market. Now that we have flexible stocks and shares ISA, obviously on top of that, we have our 0% commission offering on stocks and ETFs. We have investment plans, we have CFDs, and of course we offer 4.75% interest rates on your uninvested funds. So can't wait to see how our clients react to our product offering, and really looking forward to the next year.